It was a source of great pride, to everybody. It really showed that Nigeria is really taking the initiative and being proactive in a lot of the areas that will help Nigeria to attain the objectives, the Sustainable Development Goals, and also as a model for other countries. Mr. President really dwelt on the substance, security issues, but very importantly, Sustainable Development Goals that Nigeria is making very concrete efforts to address, eradicating extreme poverty, and the steps, social investment programs that Nigeria is taking to address these, and security issues and steps we are taking. And so it was really a very, very good overview.
I have with a few people that I've met, it's quite instructive. For instance, the issue of the SDG, the 17 goals of the SDG. Once one start to address those goals, that is the way to actually ensure that you have opportunity of bringing some development to the people generally. There must be collective action in respect of poverty eradication. Poverty is not the good thing to anybody. Poverty breeds war. When people have things to eat, when they live a normal life, they are not likely to be involved in crime.
The situation we find ourselves in Nasarawa is similar to one of the issues discussed during the SDG presentation. We are fighting security challenge by going to the root cause of the security in the first place. We are embracing the National Livestock Transformation Project, identifying, in fact, Nasarawa has more locations than any of the 7 pioneer states that are approaching it. So we're taking it from that angle. We are also doing a lot of advocacy, a lot of sensitization for people to understand the importance of living in peace. We have to find Nigeria's solutions to our Nigerian challenges.